Ailet PG notification is out. Hello everyone, welcome to Research Academy. This is the founder of Research. Today we are going to talk about Ailet PG 2020 notification. So we are going to talk about the eligibility, syllabus, pattern, reservation. So please stay tuned till the very end. So we are going to talk about all the aspects of Ailet PG 2020. We were starting the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe to it and press the bell icon. So let's start the video. Let's talk about the eligibility first. Now, eligibility of Ailet PG is 55%, whereas in CLAT it has been reduced to 50%. And for the reservation SC, ST, and OBCs, the eligibility criteria for Ailet PG is 50%. So 55% and 50%. Now talking about the next important part, that is the syllabus. Now syllabus is not vast like CLAT PG, but syllabus has been like Ailet PG is the same like 2019. They haven't changed anything in syllabus in 2020 as well. So let's see what are the subjects that we have in Ailet PG 2020. The constitutional law, jurisprudence, international law, contract, tort, and criminal law. Now here there is other question that you might get in the exam as well, because Ailet PG they might give you the 6 subjects, but you will get subjects like CRPC or other like evidence. These subjects also included in this particular syllabus, but the 6 subjects are fixed. Now let's talk about the pattern. Pattern is like 2019 they have changed it. Like before 2019 there was subjective part, but after 2019 it was all objective. There is no subjective questions like CLAT PG. There is only objective. 150 questions will be asked in CLAT in Ailet, and all the objective will be there, and the negative marking would be like the CLAT 0.25. So that is the pattern for Ailet PG 2020 as well. Now talking about the seats are 70 seats are there for students who are giving the Ailet exam, okay, and there are 10 seats for foreign nationals and everything. So 70 seats that is going to be there for the people who are going for different reserved, unreserved category. The total in total there will be 70 seats. Now if you want to know more about the reservation and how the distribution of seats for the reserved category are there, you can go and check out the link below. The link is given below. You can go and check it out. Now the next important thing that I'm going to talk about is the dates. The dates are very important. As you already know, the exam date is always the 7 days before the CLAT PG. So the exam date is 3rd May and exam timing is from 10 to 11:30. That is always the morning session for Ailet PG, and the admit card issuance date is 22nd April, and last date for submission. The submission has been started. Online application submission has been started. You can go and check it out, the link below, and the last date for online application submission is 8th April 2020. So you have quite a lot of time for that. You can go definitely fill this form. This is a very good college. There are a lot of very specialized. For specialization we are going to make another videos that you don't need to worry. And because NLU Delhi is quite lucrative, Delhi legal environment that is there in Delhi, and other specialization like constitutional law, criminal law, like environment law. There are a lot of various kinds of specialization that is there in Delhi, and that is quite helpful for the students. So definitely look for this Ailet PG exam. And Ailet PG exam, as always, it's not like easy. The question pattern and the question variety is quite unique in its nature, so you have to prepare very hard for Ailet PG as well, because the seats are only limited, like 70 seats are there that you have to fight for the seats. So these are the important things that we are going to talk about Ailet PG. But if you want to know more like the fees and the reservation, all the links are given below in the description. You can go and check it out. Like there are different things that they have said, like eligibility criteria I have already mentioned, but the reservation they have said a lot of things. So, and also there is another important thing, 50% seats are reserved for the students of Delhi and 50% for all over India. So these are the information that we wanted to give it you regarding the Ailet PG.